Today's measurement assignment, you are going to be measuring in inches and feet. You're going to tell me if it's more than an inch or less than an inch, or would you measure it with a foot? Is it more than 1 foot or less than 1 foot? And what you're going to use for your measurement tools today, you're not going to use a ruler. You're going to use things that you have on your body. So if you're going to measure an inch, you're going to use your digit on your thumb, or you can use this thumb, either one you want. Okay, from the knuckle to the end of your pointer finger, or the end of your thumb, is about an inch. This little chunk right there, that's an inch. Okay, so you're going to measure stuff with an inch. So if you wanted to measure inches, how long this inch, how many inches this pen is, well, first of all, I'd say, is it more than an inch or less than an inch? It's more than an inch. It's more than one of my knuckles on my thumb. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Are these exact measurements? No, they're not. They're about. So it's about 4 inches. Okay. The next thing you're going to measure with is your foot. You're going to measure if things are a foot long or not a foot long. You've seen me do this in class. You have a foot, use your foot to measure. Okay. Is it more than a foot, less than a foot? I have a glass of water here. I'm going to adjust my screen. There's my glass of water. Is my glass of water more than, is my glass more than a foot or less than a foot? We're going to go with less than a foot. Okay? You don't have to remember that a foot is 12 inches, or 12 of my knuckle. You just have to remember, is it more than inches, 1 inch, or less than 1 inch? More than 1 foot, or less than 1 foot? Good luck. Goodbye.